Yo guys, Phil here with BLP3 Motors, and today is that promised video. We're going to take apart this guy and show you kind of how to do it step by step. Again, this one has the sliding, what is it called?
It's got a one-touch power sky slider. We're
gonna show you how everything kind of works. So this is a tutorial-esque video. So if you've just bought this vehicle or you're curious about how to take it apart, this is for you. All right, guys, so first things first is we're gonna need this little toolkit. This toolkit comes with the Jeep. Open that up and let's see what's inside.
All right, we'll do a little like unboxing video.
Boom.
So you get a ratchet and two different torque
Is that
pins.
one of those pimple popper things? That's a pretty big device there. All right, so this is the tools that we'll need, and I'm sure they can keep that in their glove compartment.
Absolutely, don't lose those.
Okay, so on the interior, tell me what's going on. So we're gonna remove this, we're gonna remove that. What else are we removing?
We're gonna open up that sky slider.
Okay.
So Jeep people, you know how it is to take that big top off and find a place to store it, you know?
So this is an easier way to do everything now.
Way more simple.
Okay.
And you can kind of do it right on the go. So if it starts with rain or something, no need to rush home, no need to get your Jeep under cover. You can do everything right here. I'm gonna show you exactly how simple this is to do.
Boom. All right, here we go. So some trial and error, and we found out that it's even easier than we thought. You don't even need tools. We were about to like open up tools to show you how to like unscrew things, but you don't need to screw anything at all.
So I'm gonna show you how simple this is on the side panels of this top. This is only for the sky slider top.
Okay.
Where once you roll that back, this whole side piece will come off. And with help from Sean, my co-salesman here, he's gonna help me take this off. So check it out. Inside you got two latches, kind of like the old Freedom tops on the other ones. And it's just gonna be as simple as removing those latches.
Okay.
Bringing them down, and this whole thing is gonna come up.
No way.
Straight back.
Dude, that's nuts.
Super light.
Super easy.
No big pieces. And you can take this right here, and they give you a bag to put them in.
Okay, so that's what that bag was for.
Yep, and it'll slide right back. But take a look at how wide open it is back here.
Wow.
Get the doors off, you can roll that top back, and it's just simple as taking that one piece off.
That's nuts. All right, so we're gonna take off the other side here, and then we're gonna undo the sky slider. Yeah, undo it or just bring it back.
We're gonna roll it back.
Roll it back. All right, let's grab the second panel.
So you could totally do this with one person. You don't need two people. He's gonna help me here, just for extra safety. Roll this back.
Okay.
And I should put this in the back, but probably a bad idea.
All right, so wow.
Wide open.
Yeah, that's
so
huge.
You Jeep people, Wrangler people, with their original hardtop, you know how much of a pain in the butt that is to take that giant piece off the back when you want to go outside, enjoy what a Jeep is for.
Right.
You know, so now with this one-touch power slider, I mean, check that out. I mean, it's wide open.
So let's push that baby in and
let's do it.
Let's get the full coup de grace here.
So of course it's electric, so we can go ahead and turn the car back on.
Okay.
And it's just as simple as one button, one touch, don't even need to hold it.
That's nuts. And you can kind of just see the Jeep transform here. That's really cool. Again, here's another shot of that. And this baby coming back. Dude, that's really wide open.
No heavy pieces, no place to store big heavy objects. You Jeep guys know what I'm talking about, so you don't have to build that pulley system for your garage.
Yeah. Man,
and
that's really cool.
You just put everything right back on, real quick and simple.
Well, there you guys have it. That's how easy it is to take off the side panels and throw that guy back. So this is only exclusive to this model, right?
Right, the sky slider is the only option that's gonna have those removable side panels on.
Awesome. Right. Well, guys, there you have it, and this is available still at Landers Dodge in Norman, Oklahoma. You don't have to be in Oklahoma. If you're in another state, we can get it to you, but this is your sales guy. Make sure to give him a call. Make sure to come see him, shoot him an email, shoot him whatever. Call him and ask for Jason to mention BLP3 Motors for a hookup. But I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Like this video and subscribe if you're new, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.